Did you consider that you and the AG were proposing special treatment for Mr. Levy?
No, not at all.
Did you consider that it was appropriate for you and the Attorney General to be making proposals that were in Mr. Levy's interests to the RGP?
I don't think it was in relation to anybody's interest. I think it was in relation to the investigation. It was a discussion which we were having in a full and frank manner. And at the end of the day, the decision was not one that could be driven by me or the Attorney General, because they have their autonomy. The police will decide how they investigate or not. We may make suggestions, as we did in this meeting, to come up to potential solutions. They would have left those meetings, I assume, proceeding in the manner they were happy with. But look, when Mr. Santos, Mr. Levy had been treated differently immediately. He'd been treated differently because of the search warrant. If it was some poor unfortunate soul in Glasgow State, they wouldn't have asked him voluntarily to hand over his device. He'd been treated differently already. And I get why. If it was your average defendant, I'm not sure he would have been given the quarter that Mr. Levy was given when the search warrant was exercised. Now, is that a matter of criticism? I don't think it's a matter for me to determine, but he was certainly treated differently. There can be no doubt about that, for whatever reason, be it because it was privileged material, be it because it was James Levy, be it because of any perception of public or political interference or whatever. But it started on the basis of being treated differently. And that created a problem, I think, for everybody, because there were arguments about the validity of the search warrant, and what we did not want was for this to touch upon a very serious criminal investigation. I mean, I don't know how far the restriction notice goes, but this was some serious allegations about the national security platform. This was not...
Yeah, but hang on, I think we just leave it at that.
I won't go into that.